Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, my name is Miss Mavish Haris and I am your maths teacher from Peshawar Model School. It is our fifth lecture which is related to chapter number 1 set exercise 1.1 book 8 page number 13. So let's open your books and get ready for this exercise. So my dear student, as you already know about set, so what is the meaning of set? Set means set is a collection of well-defined distinct object. So today our topic in this exercise is subsets and proper subset and improper subset. So let's students open your book, that is page number 13, and get ready for completing this exercise and listen and understand carefully. Open your book and open the page, that is page number 13. Before starting this exercise 1.1, first of all, you know about what is meant by subset. Subset. So, my dear student, what is meant by subset? Set A is a subset of B if every element of set A is an element of set B. Now, let's see this example. You have to see here the set A, that is elements are 1, 2, 4 and elements of set B are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Now since every element of set A, you have to see here that elements of set A means 1, 2, 4 are already present in set B. So it means A is a subset of set B. Subset means small and the set B is known as superset. So it's mean since every element of set A is present in set B, so set A is a subset of set B. What is the symbol of subset? You have to see here, that is A is a subset of B. Now again, what is meant by subset? Subset means if every element of set A is present in set B, so set A is a subset of B. That you have to see in this example. You have two set here. Elements of set A are 1, 2, 4. Elements of set B are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So A, each and every element of set A is already present in set B. So it's mean A is a subset of set B. Subset means small and set B is called the power set of that superset of that set. So now A is a subset of B and the symbol of subset is, that is A is a subset of B. Now come to our next topic, that is proper subset. Proper subset means set A is said to be a proper subset of set B if A is the subset of set B, means every element of set A is present in set B and at least one element of set B is not included in set A. For example, you have to see here, for example, if set A is equal to x, y, z, there are 3 elements in set A. And how many elements are in set B? There are 5 elements. It means x, y, z. X, y, z are already present in set B. So A is a subset of B. Now we have to talk about the proper subset if at least one element of set B is not included in set A. So you have to see which elements are not included here. That is V, that is X, that is V and that is W. Which elements are not included in this? That is V and W. And which elements are present here? X, Y, Z. All these 3 elements are present in set B. And which at least one elements are not here? That is V and W. Then A is a proper subset of the set B and it is denoted by A is a proper subset of B. Now our next topic is improper subset. If A is a subset of B and A is equal to B, you have to see here the symbol equal. then A is called improper subset of B. Then A is called improper subset of set B. For example, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6. Again the same elements are here in set B, that is 2, 4 and 6. Then A is the improper subset of set B. So what is meant by subset of a set? Simply you have to say that subsets of a set mean whose elements are found in another set. Whose elements are found in another set. Let's see. There are different examples you have to make to relate it to subset or improper subset. Again, what is the difference between a proper subset and improper subset? What is the difference between proper subset and improper subset? A proper subset is one that contain few elements of the original set. What is proper subset? A proper subset is one that contain few elements of the original set, whereas improper subset contain every element of the original set along with the null set. A proper subset is one that contain only few elements, and whereas improper contain every element of the original set. So you have to study here three sets: subsets, proper subset and improper subset. So now come to the exercise 1.1, that is book 8 and page number is 13. Now get ready your pencil and just open your books, fold your arms and listen and understand carefully. After listen and understand this question, then you have to write in your notebook. So question number 1 is, my dear student, question number 1 is, how many subsets can be made of the following sets? Now in this question, you have to make the subset. You have to make the subset. Find the subset. First of all, you have to find the subset. Then you have to indicate either these are the proper and improper. You have to separate them, proper and improper. So the number 1 question is, A is equal to, capital A is equal to braces 0. So let's see how many elements are given in set A. There is only one element, and which is the element here given? That is 0. So first of all, you have to write here solution. You give the heading possible subset of A. What is A? A is a name. A is the name of the set. A is equal to, you have to use here 2n. A is equal to 2n. Number of element in this set is equal to 2n, where n, what is meant by n? N is equal to the number of element in the given set. How many number of elements are given in this set? You have to see here only one element is given, and only one element, 1, 0. Just you have to see that in set A there is only one digit, that is 0. So it's mean only one element is given here. So what is the power of n is? That is 1. So 2 power 1. It's mean 2 is multiplied only one time. 2 one time. 2 one time means 2. You have to make here 2 subsets. How many subsets you have to made here? You have to made here 2 subsets. So first of all, you have to make an empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. Either different kinds of subsets are given, and whenever you have to make the subset, so empty set is a subset of every set. So the first subset is empty set. Then you have to make 1 by 1 digit. The 1 digit is 0. So you have to need possible subset of only 2. So you have to made here the subset. The first is empty set and the second is 0. Now you have to indicate here proper and improper subset. So proper subset mean at least one. So which is the proper subset? Empty set is a proper subset, and improper subset equal. So what are the which thing is equal here? Which subset is equal here? That is 0. So easily you have to indicate here proper and improper. Proper subset is empty set, and improper subset which resembles to the equal one, so that is 0. A proper subset is one that contain few elements of the original set, whereas improper subset contain every element of the original set. So the subsets are A is equal to, there are two subsets here, that is empty set and 0. And what are the proper subset? That is empty set. And what is improper subset? That is means equal, that is equal to 0. Now come to the next question. B is equal to 0, 1. My dear student, you have to see here in this question there are two elements. How many elements are there? Two elements. Again you have to write the same possible subset. Again now in this question the set name is changed. In previous question you have to give the set name A. In this question you have to write here possible subset of B. What is the formula? 2n. N means number of element. How many elements you have to see in this set? There are 2 elements. So 2 power 2. You can write here 2 amongst 2 times. It's mean 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So how many subset of B are? Now you have to know that empty set is a subset of every set. So your first subset means small set. So first subset is empty set. Again you have to write separate set like 0. Again in another set you have to write here 1. Now you have to combine these two sets in two forms. So 0, 1. So now count here. How many subset are there? There are 4 possible subset. How many possible subsets are there? There are 4 possible subset. So now you have to indicate proper subset and improper subset. So at least one means what are the proper subset in this set? First is empty set, next is 0, next is 1, and you have to put in another braces. 0 is separated in one braces, 1 is separated in another braces. Now improper subset means which contain every elements of the original set, whereas every element, so it mean equal, so that is 0, 1. So improper subsets are 0, 1. Okay, now your home task is that, my dear student, you have to complete question number 1 from part number 3 to part number 10. In our next video, we have to study about the power set. Thank you.